Hey everyone, come clean my dryer with me. I have to put it on like twice to do a load, and the heating in it is fine. It's like hot, so I think I need to clean the vent out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to pull it out because we actually had to pull it out like a month ago because we replaced the belt in it. So I already know like that's good because we already pulled it out. Check that out. So I bought this doohickey off of Amazon to clean the vent. So it hooks up to your vacuum hose. It says it hooks up to any vacuum hose, so we'll see. And yeah, let's see what we get out of here. Okay, let's open this up and see what it comes with. I got this off Amazon. I will put the link under the video so you guys can check it out. So it comes with a hose. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be bent, so I'm not going to bend it back just yet, but I really want to. Then the other hose, this is supposed to hook up to the hose up to your vacuum. And it comes with a little doohickey, instructions. Yeah, it says it can hook up to a stick vacuum, a handheld vacuum, the hose to a regular vacuum. Yeah. Oh yeah, so you can keep it straight. You can keep it straight or have it bendable to like get through the crevices. A sock. You know, dryer issues. Alright. Okay, I got the vacuum hose. I have a stand-up vacuum. It is a Hoover stand-up vacuum. So it looks really small. I panicked and I was like, this ain't gonna work. But no, it's squishy siding. So, here we go. Okay. This time, let's see. Guys, I just plugged in the vacuum. Okay, I got it. I got it. We're plugged in. Okay. Oh, that was nice. Okay, let's try to go in the venties. This is my vent. It's on the top of my dryer. It's like a long thing, eh? So we'll start by vacuuming that, and then we'll go in there and vacuum.